Assalamu alaikum, grade 7. This is our lecture of English grammar. In our previous lecture we studied about the definition of articles, the types of articles and the use of an indefinite article. Now we are going to study use of definite article. As you know that definite article includes the article the can be used both before a singular and plural noun according to the following grammatical rules. So here are some rules we are going to study about the definite article the. Number 1, before the place, object or group of objects which is unique or considered to be unique and geographical region and points on globe. So there are 3 points in this rule. Number 1 is that we use definite article the before a place, object or group of object which is specific or unique or that is considered to be unique. And the second point is that we use definite article the before geographical regions. And the third point is that we use definite article the before points on globe. Examples: the earth, the moon, the sky, the stars. These are geographical regions. The North Pole, it is points on globe. So we shall use definite article the before them. Rule number 2 is for a noun which becomes particular because it is already mentioned and is being mentioned a second time. So we use definite article for a noun which is being mentioned in a sentence for the second time. For example, the teacher helped a student and the student became happy. In this sentence, the noun student has been used twice. So, when we use it second time, we will use definite article the here. Rule number 3 is for a noun made specific or definite in a clause or a phrase. So, we will use definite article the for a noun which is made specific in a clause or phrase. For example, the old lady, the girl with blue eyes, the boy that I saw. In these examples, the nouns lady, girl and boy are made specific by describing their specific qualities. So we will use definite article the with them. Rule number 4 is before superlative degree and first, second, third, etc. and only. So before superlative degree we use definite article, superlative degree of adjective, that is the best day. Best is superlative degree, so we'll use the definite article the here. If we write the counting numbers in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc., we will use definite article the with them. For example, the second month. If we use the word only, we will use definite article the with it, the only method. Rule number 5 is before the names of organizations. So when we write the names of organizations, we use definite article the. For example, the Association of Chartered Accountants, the World Health Organization. These both are organizations, so we shall use definite article the with them. Rule number 6 is before the names of scientific principles, theories, laws, etc. So, when we write scientific principles, theories or laws, we use definite article the. For example, the law of Newton, the Fahrenheit scale. Note: no article will be used for these names if they are written in forms like Newton's law, Dalton's law of particular pressures. So if we start the theories with the name of the inventor, we will not use definite article the. Rule number 7 is article the is not used for names of universities if written in forms like Oxford University, Yale University, Columbia University. But article the is used if names of universities are written in forms like the University of Oxford, the University of Yale, the University of Columbia. So, if we write the names of universities like this Oxford University without of, Oxford University. We will not use the definite article the, but if we use of University of Oxford, we will use definite article the University of Oxford. Our eighth and last rule is article the is not used for names of countries or places. So we will not use definite article with the names of countries or places like Pakistan, Turkey, Lahore, Mexico, London. All these are names of places and countries. But article the is used for a name if it expresses a group of places, states or lands. So if a name is expressing a group of places, a group of states or lands, then the definite article the will be used. For example, the United States. These are states, a group of states. So definite article the will be used. The Netherlands, it is group of lands. So definite article the will be used here. So students, we have completed our topic of articles. I hope you have understood it. Allah Hafiz.